Okay, do a little room tour. Carnival Elation, room E60, 7th floor.
Do you see it? It should be this way.
It is a ocean view room, and we are going to start off with the bathroom. There's a shower. Does have the curtain. It's your toilet. Looks like ample room. I'm a big guy, and everything seems plenty big for me. Here is your microwave safe. It's a safe. Come on, y'all know it's a safe. There's your towels to take offshore, if you so be. There's drawer space, 2 drawers. Here is closet space. And another closet space with hangers. There are your life jackets. Always make sure you have the number that's in the cabin. And shelf space, shelf space. And don't mind my CPAP stuff. I've got it set up for twin beds because Bev's not with me. I always wondered how the setup would look. So that's why I set up that way. It is a connecting room, and I can hear people over there already, but let's hope that that's not an issue. It never has been before. There's stuff to hang up, and a little hallway. And basically that is it. I guess we'll try to give you a view of what the ocean view actually looks like from the Carnival Elation. 7th floor, Carnival Elation, room E60, ocean view. Thanks for watching, everybody.